You search how to buy shares of Jensen-Group NV. Jensen-Group makes industrial laundry and finishing systems and trades on Euronext under the ticker JEN.BR. This walkthrough is educational and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker. I will use eToro as a neutral example to show the process. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an ID, and add funds before you can place orders. Use the platform search bar and enter the ticker JEN.BR to find Jensen-Group. Choose the listing that shows Euronext so you locate the correct stock. On the asset page, you will see a short company overview and the price chart to help confirm the instrument. Double-check the exchange and ticker to ensure this is Jensen-Group NV. To invest, tap Invest or Trade, enter the amount you want to buy, review the order details, and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, your order may be queued or executed at the next opening. And if your balance is insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add funds before finalizing. Your position will appear in your portfolio once the trade executes. For more information and the eToro link, see the description below.